Today I wanted to cover Design Manager. It's an important tool that's included with all of the Solid Edge base licenses. I'm just going to go over some of its benefits and why it's important to use it. Managing relationships between files can be difficult. Missing files, broken relationships, and duplicate files are some of the issues many face when dealing with CAD data. Most CAD users have had the experience of opening an assembly only to find that files are missing and relationships are broken. Instead of the work you intended on doing, you're now spending time finding where files were moved to, what directory name was changed, or which component has been edited. Design Manager is a tool included with Solid Edge that will prevent many of these issues from occurring and save a lot of time that would be spent fixing the issue. When doing standard operations like copying, moving, and renaming files, using Design Manager will make sure any references to those files are also updated to the new name or location. Design Manager can be opened in two different ways. One is by opening the program from your Start menu. By default, Design Manager will be located inside the Siemens Solid Edge folder, which is the same location as the base Solid Edge program. The other way to open Design Manager is from within Solid Edge itself. While you have a file open in Solid Edge, Design Manager can be found in the Tools group of the Data Management tab. Clicking the Design Manager button will close your current document and open it inside Design Manager. Some of the actions that can be performed using Design Manager are copying files to a new directory or with a new name, moving files to a different directory, changing document statuses, updating revision and document numbers, finding where a document is used, and more. There are also a number of tools that can be used to help fix existing issues like duplicate names, broken links, or redefining links. Regardless of whether you are using Solid Edge Data Management or leaving your Solid Edge files unmanaged, Design Manager is an extremely useful and important tool that will prevent file management issues and reduce the time spent resolving them. If you'd like more information or if you have any questions, feel free to contact us or visit our website.